Let's build a super simple system to take control of your money, once and for all.
Month-end hits, and poof, all your money is gone. Sound familiar? We're going to fix this.
So what's the real problem? We spend first and then hope to save, which almost never happens.
It's called mental accounting. Basically, we're just guessing where money goes instead of actually knowing.
But don't worry, here's our game plan to put you back in control step by step.
At the heart of it all is the powerful 50-30-20 rule. Let's break it down.
Your money gets split into 3 really clear buckets: needs, wants, and savings. Simple, right?
And here's the best part. You can make this entire system run completely on its own.
Just set up these automatic transfers for payday. This way, you save before you can even spend.
You can do this right inside your banking app. Seriously, it only takes a few minutes. Okay, but what if you're dealing with debt? Don't stress, we've got a plan for that too.
You've got 2 great options: the avalanche method for speed or snowball for those quick, motivating wins.
The big takeaway here is to automate everything. It just cuts out the stress and the simple mistakes.
And hey, don't just stop at savings. Automate your SIPs, your EMIs, and even your bills.
All right, let's make this real. Say your salary is 30,000 rupees a month.
With our system, that money gets sorted instantly. Needs, wants, and savings, all done.
And that 6,000 in savings, it can go straight into an emergency fund or your investments. So just remember this one thing. Ek system banao, paise khud chalenge. It really works.
Found this helpful? Go ahead and share it with that one friend who you know really needs it.
Now, for the most important part, what's the one thing you're going to automate? Decide right now.